You press start and step back from the glass door like it might leak something invisible. Stand too close, and the urban legend crawls up your spine. Radiation seeping through the mesh, silently rewiring your cells. The myth: microwave doors are weak shields leaking harmful radiation while food spins. Reality: ovens use a metal cavity and perforated mesh size to block the cooking wavelength. Leakage at normal distance is tiny compared with the fear story. The correction in one line: a properly maintained microwave is designed so microwave energy stays inside the chamber. The door mesh acts like a fence whose holes are too small for the waves to escape efficiently, not an open window blasting radiation at your face. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves, same family as radio and light. Household ovens use roughly 2.4 gigahertz to jiggle water molecules in food. That frequency is chosen for heating, not for sneaking through doors. The door screen is metal with tiny holes. At microwave frequencies, those holes behave like a solid wall. Energy reflects back into the cavity. Bigger holes would leak more. Standards keep them small. Even if a small amount escapes a damaged seal, intensity drops sharply as you move away. Inverse square style spreading means your kitchen counter distance is not the same as pressing your nose to the glass. Fear stories skip the distance math entirely. Regulators set strict leakage limits, far below levels that could heat tissue like the interior heats soup. A normal unit passing inspection is not a covert transmitter aimed at your torso. Real problems show up when doors are bent, hinges fail, or mesh is punched in. Physical damage can increase leakage. That is a maintenance issue, not proof that all microwaves are haunted. A warped door deserves repair. A healthy door is doing its job. Here is the twist. The cell phone in your pocket often emits more radio power at close range than a compliant microwave at counter distance. We accept one device and flinch at the other. Psychology beats physics. Standing a step back is reasonable. You avoid steam at the door and skip closeness to any appliance. But you are not dodging an X-ray through the glass. Healthy oven, intact seal, normal distance. Relax the horror soundtrack. Recap: microwaves are regulated EM waves. Door mesh blocks the wavelength. Leakage limits are strict. Damage drives real risk. Intensity fades with distance. And your phone is often louder nearby. Myth crossed out: the door is a fence, not a floodgate. More kitchen and science myths on Visual Explainer Network. Next on Myth Check: do you really lose most of your body heat through your head?